Good morning, all. So today I am traveling to Pave Ghat. Uh, is a place close to Pune, about 40 to 45 kilometers. And so today I will be looking for some eagles, crested serpent eagle, and probably crested hawk eagle also. So to be honest, even I am not sure where I am going to find them, but yes, definitely मी प्रयत्न करणार आहे. अँड देर विल बी सम एक्सप्लोरेशन. सो होप बघायला मिळेल आज काहीतरी. सो लेट्स सी. So I have reached Pave, and I know it's really challenging to get to see an eagle, but yes, I have heard that in this region there is a high possibility. So let's see, बघूया, hope so. And if not eagle, then definitely something interesting, काही ना काही सुरूच असतं. So hope for the best. Let's see, काही इंटरेस्टिंग बघायला मिळेल आज. So far into birding, so I am now well aware about 50 to 60 species which are we can say our neighborhood birds, which we can say. So जे आपल्याला डे टू डे लाईफमध्ये दिसतात. सो आय एम व्हेरी इझिली एबल टू आयडेंटिफाय देम. I haven't got anything yet, so maybe I am at the wrong place or I am at the wrong time, I don't know. So let's see, I just now spot something, but it is really very far away and I don't know. It's almost gone, so hope I'll get to see something before I leave this place. I was just traveling on bike on my return journey, and I luckily spot this eagle on my way. Very lucky. I will show you. And finally, yes, the purpose of my journey is fulfilled. It's beautiful to see. We'll be clicking some pictures now. It's been a long time. उडून जात नाही अजिबात. एकदम बसून राहिला शांत. It is really sunny now. The sun has come up. Lucky day today, lucky day. Yes. Now what you are seeing is a chase. It's a chase between a hawk eagle and another birds. So usually the hawk eagle tries to attack on their nest and eat the small birds, chicks we can say, and that is the reason another bird is trying to shoo it away. You see, he's trying to find their nests. The fight is still on. Still that small bird is not giving up. He's trying to shoo him away from his nest, and the hawk is trying to find the nest to have some food. I don't know which is another bird, but let's see, maybe if I get a closer look I can guess. This is just amazing to see. Yes, I'm really very happy today and satisfied with my journey. So the purpose of my journey has been fulfilled. Finally I got to see the changeable hawk eagle, and hopefully yes, so I will continue my journey.